Hi everyone, today I show you my mini with the exclusive cut file for subscribers. First I have my pages plotted out of colored cardstock, and then I glued with an adhesive tape designer papier on it from the February 2021 hip kits. I use adhesive tape. It's easier for me to bring the designer paper on it. For the pocket with the tag, I wanted something special. The tag should be to be pulled out and in. For this I punched a hole in the pocket and in the tag. Here you can see. And connected both with a thread. Here you see the tag is in the pocket. I glued the pocket, also to close it, and then I put the tag a little bit out so long I wanted it, make a knot, maybe one or two, and decorated this with a small wooden bead so that I can pull the tag in. My thread was too long. I cut it with a scissor. Here you can see. Okay. I have decorated the other side, the other pages with different papers. And for my mini album, I made a cover. I used an old cardstock and glued acetate on it. I used the adhesive tape again and a piece of ribbon for the top, the ribbon on the top, that I can tie a bow. Yes, yeah, okay. Then I glued designer paper on the outside, cut the paper that was too long with my scissor, and on the inside I did the same. First, I forgot, I punched holes before I glued the inside. The same adhesive tape, and then the inside. I choose the watercolor paper. This is my favorite paper from the February 2021 hip kits. And then I need again the holes. That I can attach my sides in this mini album. I used a leftover piece of ribbon. Oh no, oh sorry, I did this later. I decorated my pages with different embellishments from the main and embellishment kit. A mini album takes time for me. Sometimes it takes me a week to finish it. I can show you here. You can see the process, how I did the pages, but at the end of the video I show you how I changed my decoration after a few days. Enjoy watching. I hope I can inspire you with the mini album cut file. Also make a mini. Thank you for watching and have fun. I hope I see your mini album in the Facebook group. Thank you.